I wanted to record a quick video for the eBay listing to show that the rain lamp is working. Don't know much about this one, picked it up as a gag gift at an auction, and we're selling it now. The pump seems to be working. This has been running for, I don't know, maybe 20-30 minutes here, and looks like it's doing okay. This is a rough lamp. You can see here that it has some corrosion on the edges where the paint has peeled. It's got some dings and some, I don't know what that stuff is there, some corrosion or some kind of thing on there. But this is what you're bidding on. Shipping's going to be a little bit expensive because of the unique size and the weight of it. I will drain all the oil before we ship it. But this is the rain lamp that I have listed right now on eBay.